Hey guys, check this out.
The storm comes. I am ready.
The video you just saw was created using 2 AI tools that are completely free, and honestly, their generation quality is incredible. I know that sounds like a big claim, but just wait until you see what they can actually do. These 2 tools can easily rival some of the paid AI tools out there, the ones charging you a monthly fee just to generate a handful of images or videos, so you really do not need to keep paying for expensive tools anymore. The first tool I am going to show you can generate both high-quality images and videos, and it even has completely free lip sync built in, so you are basically getting 3 tools rolled into one. But the second tool is where things get really interesting. It is a Chinese AI tool that gives you access to the Seedance model, and right now, hardly anyone is talking about it, which honestly makes no sense once you see the results it puts out. And yes, you can actually use Seedance completely free, no subscription, no hidden fees, nothing. So stick around until the end, because the second tool might genuinely surprise you. All right, let's jump into the first tool.
Okay, so this is the first tool. This is Meta AI, and it is extremely powerful for generating images, videos, and it also has a chatbot built in. As you can see, I've generated tons of videos, and if you check my history right here, you can see them for yourself. An interesting thing about Meta AI is that it is completely free and unlimited, and it does not use credits, although it may have some generation limits. So first things first, we are going to head over and create an image. Once we are in the image section, we are going to paste in the prompt. And once the prompt has been set, I am going to upload it. From that single prompt, it was able to generate 2 amazing images for me here, which is extremely good. Now I am going to test out another image prompt. This next image prompt is a bit difficult. It says, a photorealistic young Asian woman sitting inside a moving city bus at night, holding a steaming cup of coffee while watching the rain through a fogged window. The thing that makes this generation difficult is the fact that her reflection is going to be showing on the glass. So I have put in the image prompt, time to see what it is able to generate. Boom, it generated every single thing clearly. No glitches, no distortions, no weird artifacts generated in the image. It just followed the prompt exactly without generating any irregularities. Meta AI also has a video generator, but it is currently not available in this tool. So we are going to head over to Vibes, because that is where the video generator is located. For those of you who did not know this, once you are in Vibes, you are going to log into the tool. So this is Vibes. This is where you can generate the amazing videos. I am going to head over to New Project. Right here is where we are going to be generating videos. You can generate images here as well, and you can also do lip sync. Then there are some ingredients that you can use when you are generating your images or your videos. You can upload a character from your other projects, or you can use the characters that are already available in this section, and there are tons of characters for you to choose from, or you can generate and use your own characters. In that same ingredients section, there are also different styles and scenes. So you can upload a style or scene, or generate your own style or scene, or you can use the styles and scenes that they have left available for you. Next, there is also an advanced feature for choosing what video resolution. Okay, so for the video generation prompt, I'm going to head over to my Discord server. In the Discord server, I have a prompt base where I left 50 ready to use video generation prompts, and you should definitely go check it out. I am going to copy one of the video generation prompts right here, head back into the tool, and paste it in. Once I have pasted it, I am going to select the advanced settings and set it to 720p, then check out the video. Okay, so the video is done, and what is crazy remarkable to me is the fact that it generated 4 different videos from my one single prompt. So I get 4 different outputs from a single prompt, and each of them matches the prompt with no glitches and no distortions. Let me check one of them out. This first video that was generated is a very good and clear generation. Now let me check the next one. As you can see, none of the videos I generated came out with a single glitch or distortion in any of them, so you can tell that this tool is extremely powerful for generating both images and videos. And do not forget, you can also generate images here and do your lip sync as well. You can also upload images for your start frame and your end frame. And then in the ingredients section, you can upload a character, style, or scene, or use the ones that are already available for you in this tool. So that is it for the first tool, guys. Now we are going to head over to the second tool, and the second tool is Dreamina. Dreamina is a very powerful Chinese tool made by the owners of CapCut, where you can generate AI images and generate videos for absolutely free. We are going to be heading into the tool now. This is Dreamina on the inside. It can generate images, videos, and the rest of them, so you do not really need credits to generate a video if you are generating the video from the United States or the United Kingdom. So first things first, The model available is Seedance 1. I am going to head over into the Discord and copy a prompt, and once the prompt is copied, I am going to head back into the tool and paste the prompt in. We can see some of the settings here. You can choose the aspect ratio and the resolution that the video is generated in, and you can choose the duration of the video as well. So once everything is up to your liking, upload the parts. Okay, so this is the video. As you can see, everything is crystal clear, genuinely high quality, and very, very good in the generation. Even though this is using the older model, which is Seedance 1, it still gives a remarkable output, and that is what I absolutely love. Once you generate the video, you can edit the prompt, regenerate, and do the rest. So make sure to use these tools. They're extremely powerful, and they can generate very good videos for you. And it also gives you new resources to generate your videos with every single day. So make sure to check the tool out, and also do not forget to join my Discord server. We chat there, and we share useful information and tips with each other, so make sure to check that out too. It is something you definitely want to see. Thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a helpful comment on what tools you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye.